Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Alif bin Aziz, 64915. My course Computer Science and I am in my year 2.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Alim Ramli Amazaki, 64587.
My name is Rajaling. I am a second year student. I am taking computational science.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurhanani binti Ramli. Today I will present the classes in code.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Alif, and today I will talk about class diagram. So, going on to our first class diagram, there is customer. So, in customer class diagram, we got 6 attributes with same data types and 2 methods that is visible for all. So, from customer, we will go to the reservation. The relationship between customer and reservation are 1 to 0, 1, where the customer need to create the account in order to go to the reservation, but the customer doesn't need to create any reservation if he doesn't want. But if we want to create a reservation, he need to create an account first. So in the reservation, we got 3 attributes with 2 different data type, which is string and floats, and 4 methods that is visible for all. So from the reservation, we will go to the payment. In the payment, we got 2 attributes and 2 methods, and the methods are visible for all, and the relationship between reservation and payment are 1 to 1 to 1. The reservation need to be created first, and we will go to the payment 1 to 1. So from the payment, we go to the cancellation. So cancellation relationship between payment are 1 to 0, 1, whether the customer want to cancel or not. So from reservation also we can make the cancellation, and the relationship between reservation to cancellation are 1 to 0, 1, whether the customer want to cancel or not. So, and in cancellation we got 1 attribute and 2 methods. So moving on to the proof payment. Proof payment relationship with payment are a part of the relationship where the payment need to be done first in order to get the proof payment. And the attributes in the proof payment are there are 2 attributes and 1 methods, and the methods are visible for all. That's all from me. Thank you.
So today I will be explaining about the code. So the first one is libraries, which is we use a lot of libraries here, and then the declaration of global variables, and the declaration of global function, and the declaration of base class. This one is important because this is a parent class or the base class. Okay, so first we declare the protected attribute, and then the first polymorphism we apply is in the here, which is the register account function. The second part in polymorphism is basically we apply in the customer class in here, register account function. So polymorphism is basically that you use the method to perform different tasks. So this can allow us to perform a single action in a different ways. Okay, so basically this one is a different ways. So we include the customer research, welcome to customer registration page, and this one we only include the welcome to registration page. So that's one for polymorphism. So we continue to login account, login page. So the second part I would like to emphasize is the inheritance, which is an inheritance is you will inherit the attribute and methods from one class to another. So the base class here is this one, class user, and the derived class, the child class is here, the public the user class. So basically you will inherit the class by using the this symbol.
Okay. I will present the classes in code. the classes of the this is a declaration of classes user parent class. We use the protected attribute and the public member function void register account. For the customer registration, we use the class customer public user. For the booking, use the class booking and private attributes and public member function void book. And to make cancellation, we use the class cancellation private attribute string reason to cancel and public member function void confirm cancel. And for the payment, we use the class payment private attributes and a private attribute and public member function display payment. That's all.
My name is Chua Chia Ling. Now I'm going to present about methods in this program code. For the first class user, the methods are register account and login account. User have to log in by enter their username and password. And the next class is customer. The method is register account. User have to enter their name, identity card number, telephone number, email, username, and password to register. And in third class booking, the method is void book for booking. User have to enter their current location and the destination that they would like to arrive. And the price of the destination will be shown. And next one is check availability. User also have to enter their current location and destination that they would like to arrive. And it will show the availability of the train. And the next method is display detail. This is to display the detail of the booking. It will show the status whether the booking request is successful or not. And last one in this class is train info, and it will show the train information. The location and destination and train destination will be shown in here. And next one is in class cancellation. The method is confirm cancel for user to make the cancellation. And in class payment, the method is display payment amount for user to make payment. The total price for the road will be shown. And last one is void FPX for user to make payment. User have to enter their card number, expiry date, and CVV to make the payment. And that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hello to Madam Azan and my fellow friend. Okay, today our group Avenger will present our code. We will demo our code. Okay, this is our main user interface. So if the user did not have the account, so they register. So if the user already have the account, so they just log in. Under that, then can log out. So they register. So as a customer, so name Ali, IC number, blah blah blah. Okay, telephone number, blah 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 blah. Example, email ali@gmail.com. Okay, and the username is Ali, and password is Ali123. Okay, so the system will pop up the detail of the registration. Then the user is successfully registered as a customer. So they will continue. They need to log in. At this section, we put our code for username and password as a customer. So we fix the value so that only first customer, only the username customer and password will accept for the next step. Okay, so customer, because the in the assignment they did not state the any requirement, so we just put it as fixed. Customer. So after they successfully log in the system, so it will go to customer main page. Okay, so if you want to book the ticket, so they need to check the availability. So they need to check the availability. So from example that they want to go to from KLIA to TBS. Okay. When if the system when the system will show the availability yes or no based on the ticket that they book. Okay, so from the KLIA TBS, the availability is so I want to book the ticket from KLIA TBS, so I book. So I put back the location KLIA. TBS. Just ignore this the symbol. Okay. So the system will ask the user if if the user want to book the ticket. So it press this one. So yes. Okay. If they want to make extension, so they can press 3. So at this section, they will ask have the user made the transition for the booking ticket. Is press yes. Expenses. So if they had already buy the ticket, they'll press no. They will expenses for only the user that did not make a payment. So for me, I did not make the payment, so I press 2. So for the confirm ticket, so I press yes. Okay, yes. Okay, cancel separately. Okay. Okay, for me now I have already made the payment. Okay, I made the payment, so I press 4. So the total price is 50 ringgit. So if I continue, so I put my card number, blah blah blah, expiry date and that. Okay, and our CCV 115. Okay, so the payment have made. So they need to check the ticket for their keeping. So after everything, so it will panic. Okay, so let's say that I change my mind, I want to cancel my ticket, so I press T. So the decision is so I have made a decision, so I press yes. So I want to cancel ticket. I want to cancel ticket because I already have made a payment, so I want to cancel this. After I change my mind, let's say, so example, so the user will receive the 50% from the payment that they have made. So they need to check the email for their refund of the money. So that's it from us. Thank you.